In today's video, I will show you how to normalize a table using text functions in Excel. Here is our source data, which contains supplier and items column. In items column, product name and amount details are clubbed together. Here is our expected result, which contains separate column for supplier, product and amount. I will start this from scratch here. In our first step, I will try to incorporate supplier name into items column so that supplier, product name and amount details are in single column. I will try to replace command space with our supplier name. For that, I will start with the substitute function. In text argument, I will refer B3 cell. In old text argument, I will refer command space within double quotes. In new text argument, I will refer supplier name, close parenthesis and press Ctrl Enter. Supplier name is incorporated with the second pair, not with the first pair. That is just because we don't have a delimiter at the beginning of the items column. No issue. We can add this delimiter here. The text argument, I will try to prefix the delimiter command space. To concatenate, I will use ampersand symbol, is Shift 7. I will press Ctrl Enter. So supplier name is incorporated for both pairs, but there are no delimiters here. In order to separate supplier name and product name, I will use pipe symbol as a delimiter. Again, ampersand symbol, pipe symbol with a double quotes. Supplier and product name are separated, but amount and supplier name are not separated. For that, again, I will use a different delimiter here, in double quotes, hyphen, ampersand. So each of the items, supplier name, product and amounts are separated here. I will try to extend this formula for entire range. So instead of B3, I will replace it with B2 to B9. Instead of A3, I will replace it with A3 to A9. Let me press Ctrl Enter. Our result contains array of items. In order to use this inside the TEXTSPLIT function, I will try to make it a single text using concat function. Now, TEXTSPLIT function can handle this single text. Take a close look at this. Pipe symbol and colon with space are column delimiters. Hyphen is our row delimiter. Let me start with TEXTSPLIT function. Result of concat function is our text. In column delimiter, as I told you, I will place two delimiters. For that, I will start with the curly braces to create array constant. First one is pipe symbol, next one is colon with a space. And then in row delimiter, I will use hyphen, close parenthesis and press Ctrl Enter. There is a blank row at the top of the table. Here at the beginning of the text, we do have this hyphen, which is our row delimiter. That's what creates a blank row at the top. No issue, we can get rid of this blank row. For that, I will use the fourth argument in TEXTSPLIT function, which is ignore empty. If I place 1, this will ignore empty cells. This is our expected result. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.